Hi, this is Marty. In this video, I'll be telling you about the Radio-to-Intercom bridge product. You may be asking yourself, what's a radio-to-intercom bridge and why should I care? Well, that's exactly why I'm here today. I'll start by defining what the radio-to-intercom bridge is, explain its major features and benefits, and then briefly cover some of the typical and possible applications of the product. The radio-to-intercom bridge receiver is designed to interface to an existing wired public address intercom system and allow PA or intercom announcements using your analog or digital two-way radio. Now, if what I just said makes no sense to you, don't worry, let me explain. In basic terms, it allows someone with a walkie-talkie to talk over the entire PA intercom system in a building or facility from anywhere they want. Pretty cool, right? Not only that, but the radio-to-intercom bridge is a wireless receiver, so once it's hooked up to your PA system, your walkies do the rest of the work. Now that you have the basic gist of what it is, let me now cover some of the major features and benefits. In other words, why you should be interested and excited about this wonderful and useful product. First, the radio-to-intercom bridge uses radio frequency technology. This means long-range communication, up to 1 mile under optimal conditions. Next, the radio-to-intercom bridge can be connected to a previously installed PA system. The benefit is there is no extensive rewiring or renovation needed at the existing PA system in a building or in a facility. This means thousands of dollars can be saved by not needing an extensive overhaul of a wired PA system. Another important feature is that once the radio-to-intercom bridge is installed and programmed, it can be accessed by two-way portable radios at great range. This eliminates the reliance upon a single stationary PA microphone, such as one you might find in the front of a high school. It allows the user to be portable when accessing and speaking over the PA system, since all they need is a walkie-talkie on the correct frequency. This is especially beneficial in any emergency situation where the location of the stationary PA system may be unsafe or even compromised. The radio-to-intercom bridge is also available in both analog and digital models. This makes it easily compatible with almost any model or brand or type of existing two-way radio, which is very convenient to say the least. This product also has selective signaling options. This means that only authorized transmissions are received. This increases the overall security of the system because not just anyone can hop on and hijack the PA system, no matter how funny that scenario could be. Remember, this receiver is compatible with many business band radios. The wide array of options makes it easy to find a walkie-talkie that's compatible. Another feature we are proud of is that the radio-to-intercom bridge is made in the USA, manufactured right here in Carmel, Indiana. When purchasing the radio-to-intercom bridge, you are supporting USA design and manufacturing. Now that you know what it is and what it does, let me mention some practical applications. It can be used to create an additional layer of security in schools, help maintain safety and awareness in places such as hospitals and prisons, and even help make announcements at outdoor locations with PA systems such as campsites. Thank you for your interest in our Made in America Ritron products. If you want to learn more detail about the possible applications of the radio-to-intercom bridge, then please stay tuned to our YouTube page and our website. We have much more information, including user manuals, on our website